Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roquefort cheese at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: raw sheep's milk, a mesophilic starter culture, Penicillium roqueforti spores, rennet, and fine cheese salt. Before you begin, ensure all your equipment is thoroughly sanitized to prevent any unwanted contamination. Next, gently warm your sheep's milk to precisely 30 degrees Celsius, which is 86 degrees Fahrenheit, in a large, clean pot. This initial step sets the stage for a successful cheesemaking process. Once your milk is at the correct temperature, carefully add the mesophilic starter culture and the Penicillium roqueforti spores, stirring them gently to ensure even distribution. Allow this mixture to ripen for about 1 hour, maintaining that steady temperature. After ripening, introduce the rennet, stirring for just 30 seconds. Then, let the milk sit undisturbed for approximately 90 minutes, allowing it to coagulate into a firm, beautiful curd, ready for the next stage. Now it's time to process your curds. Carefully cut the firm curd into 1½ centimeter or ½ inch cubes. Gently stir these curds for about 20 minutes. Next, transfer them into a cheese mold, which should be lined with cheesecloth, and allow them to drain for 12 to 18 hours, remembering to flip the cheese occasionally. Once drained, remove it from the mold and rub the entire surface with fine cheese salt, ensuring thorough and even coverage. To encourage the distinctive blue mold, pierce your cheese with a sterile skewer, creating air channels. Now, the crucial aging process begins. Store your cheese in a cool, humid environment, ideally at 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit, with 95% humidity for 3 to 5 months. Turn the cheese daily for the first 2 weeks, then every few days, observing the beautiful blue mold develop, transforming it into authentic Roquefort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.